The styling of the KB399 clearly draws inspiration from the higher-end KB998 Rimini. It features aerodynamic winglets on both sides, creating a distinctive and aggressive look that reflects the signature aesthetic and craftsmanship of Italian design, refined down to the smallest details. From its machined aluminum components scattered throughout the bike, to the beautifully painted red frame and premium bodywork, this machine doesn't just look like a motorcycle, it feels like a rolling piece of art. The front fascia follows Bimota's signature design language, heavily inspired by the KB998 Rimini. While several components like the LED headlight, mirrors, and turn signals are shared with Kawasaki, the overall execution feels more exclusive. The TFT display is similar to the ZX-4RR, but notably lacks smartphone connectivity and radiology app support. Interestingly, the bike also does not include an ETC unit, although space is available under the rear seat. Despite being a Supersport, the riding position is relatively friendly. The handlebars aren't overly aggressive, making it more usable for daily riding compared to typical race-focused machines. 399 KB ES, Edizione Speciale. Alongside the standard model, Bimota also introduced the KB399 ES, Edizione Speciale, a more premium variant packed with high-end components. Full carbon fiber bodywork. Öhlins STX-46 rear shock. Adjustable foot pegs. At its core, the KB399 is based on Kawasaki's Supersport platform, the Ninja ZX-4RR. It inherits the high-revving inline four-cylinder engine, capable of producing up to 80 horsepower with ram air pressure. The result? Sharp, thrilling top-end power combined with manageable torque at lower RPMs. It delivers an engaging riding experience that balances excitement with control, something both experienced riders and enthusiasts will appreciate. To elevate performance further, the bike comes equipped with an Akrapovič titanium silencer, complete with carbon fiber heat guard and end cap, finished with a Bimota logo. Chassis V components. The steel perimeter frame is also derived from the ZX-4RR, maintaining a solid and proven foundation. At the rear, the standard model uses a Showa BFRC light shock, fully adjustable, and shared with the base Kawasaki. Up front, however, Bimota adds its own touch with exclusive Showa SFFBP inverted forks, 541mm, specially tuned for this model. Braking performance is upgraded significantly with Brembo Stylema monoblock calipers, reinforcing the premium Italian character. While full specifications are still under wraps, the KB399 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting collaborations between Italian craftsmanship and Japanese engineering. It offers proven ZX-4RR performance, premium Italian design and parts, a unique identity in the 400 cubic centimeters Supersport segment. Scheduled for release around spring 2027, this is definitely a bike worth waiting for, especially if you want something rare, artistic, and performance-driven in one package.